Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my creative journal. I am going to be using the stickers from the sticker book called Wanderlust from Live Love Posh, and I want to do this kind of very summery flowers, so lots of oranges and yellows. And it is for the week of June 13th through the 19th. I'm going to be working with that one sticker book and keep it pretty simple because I do journal quite a bit every single day. So I want to make sure I have enough room and it's not overpowering my writing room. So while I do that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel and choosing to spend time with me. Thank you so much. I am so very grateful, and if you are here for the first time, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe if planning is your thing. Okay, so these stickers obviously super gorgeous, right? So I'm just adding little bits and pieces to my planner as I go. Maybe a little window here or there, and we're going to be keeping this quite simple. I don't want anything overwhelming or too busy, so I'm gonna add this beautiful floral arrangement right on Thursday. And then I wanted to add these blue boxes that kind of look like windows, but for journaling purposes, they're just not big enough. If this was for like a regular maybe catch-all, I would definitely add them, but because it is for my journal and I usually write about a paragraph at a time, I need a little bit more room. And I'm gonna add this La Bella Vida, which is beautiful, and then let's add another window to balance this out. This is coming together so nicely. I think that blue, oranges, and yellows give just such a nice contrast against the green. You can pretty much tell this is a full-blown summer in my planner. So I'm gonna be using Mojo Jojo plants, and I'm gonna grab these orange stickers. So this one is a journaling size, at least that's what I call them. So I'm gonna lift these up and tuck them under. Let's see how that looks. So I really like the undo, and I do use their little spatula, so I hope this helps. If you haven't used it, it's practically magic. It will let you lift up and save your stickers somehow. I don't know how it does that. I just call it magic liquid sticker saver, or simply undo, but that's what it does. Okay, and then I think I would like a couple more boxes to incorporate a few things. So I'm gonna lift this lovely sticker and then put it right under, tuck it in. And I know this takes like a tiny bit of space of writing, but it just gives such a beautiful effect that I really enjoy having the stickers on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side really, really quickly. So here we go. Okay, box down, beautiful, and then window down, and it's done. And then we're gonna work on the other side. Maybe, let's see, maybe I can add one more box. I don't know. Let's see. And if you haven't tried MUJI boxes, they are absolutely brilliant. They usually match perfectly for the season that she is selling them for. So that means that super easy to use, because you know summer colors are usually bright and beautiful, and that's exactly what she has. So she has oranges and pinks and blues and reds and just very vibrant colors, so it simply matches. And I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna add another box, just overlap at the corner, and then one more up here, same thing. It's like the smallest overlap or just meeting right at the corner. Perfect. I'm gonna find these orange flowers yet again and see if there's just smaller ones that I can use to kind of fill in those boxes. So let's take a look. I'm gonna cut this in half. I oftentimes cut my stickers to maximize their power because you only have so many stickers, although I could probably have enough stickers for the rest of my life at this point, but I still like to cut them in half, and it gives me more space to write and actually looks better on the page. So I have, as you can see, I saved bits and pieces, so now I can use that bits and pieces into this spread. And we are done, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.